Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add watermark on your camera. Simply open your camera, press on this icon and you get settings. Okay, and as you can see showing it to watermark, make sure to turn on and customize. If you want to add model name or if you want to add your own name, set date or time, press on edit to name, press on save. If you want to customize date and time, select format and algorithm, follow this. Okay, overall setup. And when you take a photo, as you can see, add this. That's it.